Back to Cooking with Flareon. I'm your host, Flareon, and some special guests. Why am I here? Jolteon? Hi, my name is Sparky. My name is. Hi, just call me Jolteon. Yeah, and we got our other special guest. What's the point of me being here again? To earn money. Oh yeah. Vaporeon, or just Choco the Vaporeon. She was born with brown on her. Fun fact, when her Eevee form was evolving, the turf got messed up. Don't talk about that. Okay. Today we're making chocolates. First, you need Vaporeon. Choco no. And Nutella. Then we need to get the spoons. And next, you just scoop it out. This will be enough. Next, you put it, oh no, in the fridge. When you're in the fridge, you better wait for a spoon to go. Wait for a couple of hours. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, no. Bird, I was freezing. I'm getting out. Just wait and wait for a lot of boring hours. 2 hours late, more hours late. Spoon. It still looks sort of like this. Now you mix it into the ball. Hope you enjoy Cooking with Flair. Flareon's cooking show. Flareon's cooking show.